So you only have $100. You want to get into wholesaling real estate and turn that into your first wholesaling real estate deal. What if you're broke and you want to get your first wholesale real estate deal? People on the internet tell you, well, if you don't have $14,000 to get me to a wholesale program, screw you, F you, you're going to be broke your entire life. That's not the truth. Really, with any budget, you could start getting rich and start having success in wholesaling real estate. But the question always comes, how much should I spend, especially starting out in wholesaling real estate, or how much should I spend just to get my first dang wholesale deal? And of course, the world's most handsomest, strongest, and most successful wholesaler of all time, maybe not the last one. I mean, I'm making millions of dollars wholesaling, but this sexy man right here is going to show you exactly how you could start getting rich wholesaling real estate without spending any money or doing some money. Oh, really, there's a couple tiers here, right? And so let's kind of break this down, right? So you kind of have three tiers if you want to get into wholesaling, right? Especially as a beginner, right? You have tier 1, you have tier 2, and of course, sexiest man alive here has the greatest handwriting of all time. And you have three tiers if you want to get started in wholesaling. Now, tier number 1 is you're broke. You got no money. And not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna call you out a little bit about this. Like you don't have $100 this month to spend. You don't have $200 to put in this business. Like, it's gonna be a lot harder to get off the ground with no money. It's 100% possible, but you can do it. It's just extremely difficult. On tier 1, you are going to be spending more time than really anybody else in wholesaling real estate. So if you don't have money, you're going to have to pour more time than really anybody else. Like, this is going to be 30 plus hours a week of just work that absolutely sucks. Like manual skip tracing, you're gonna probably reverse drive for dollars, you're gonna door knock, you're gonna cold call on Google Voice. Like, it's brutal. I'm just being honest, and there's no problem with it being brutal, right? And that's fine. I think the risk is literally nothing, but you're going to be pouring so much time into it that I see a lot of people get burnt down because they believe wholesaling is just this time suck that takes all this time to get nothing, when the truth is, if you could just save up $100, which most people spend on coffee, and I'm not trying to sell you anything here, but if you could throw like $100 a month, right, into your marketing, which is going to go a long way. Like, if you look at the exponential returns, you know, spending $100 a month from zero is like the biggest change in the world, right? Because you could probably get like X leads. You could probably start using a dialer. You just do automated texting. You can get skip tracing included with your software, right? With X leads, to get skip tracing included, get 15,000 skips. Like, you are saving like 25 hours a week, and you could just pull some lists. Probably, I'd still prefer you pull government lists, skip tracing them next leads, use the dialer, and just start sending some text blast and just start going boom, 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 boom. That is by far the easiest one. Now, I still recommend you probably put the same 30 hours in. You're just gonna get a lot more output, right? Now, a lot of people think, okay, well, if I go from $0 to $100, well, if I go out here and I spend, you know, $4,000 my first month in wholesaling, then it's gonna be even more exponential. And this is actually the worst thing you can possibly do. Like, I would rather you spend $0 than go out here and do 40 grand a month. Like, I think this is the worst one. And a lot of people think that, you know, you got to spend 4 or 5 grand a month in marketing. I see these people online, like, I just don't believe in it. That's not my thing. And yes, like, if you're going to spend 4 grand, right, that's good. That's all dandy, like, awesome, you know, more to you. But the thing about it is you are putting money into things you don't know is working. It's like leading an army in a battalion, and you're going out here with a new terrain and a brand new fighting style you've never done. Like, the thing is, you could massively fail when you have so much marketing going out on something that's not proven. And so what I'd like to do is kind of a combination of this, right? So you're either going to choose, I believe, tier 1 or tier 2 towards wholesaling. Now, of course, putting $100, like, the worst thing that you lose is $100. The worst thing you lose on tier 3 is $4,000. So I was definitely not this type of person. I actually put about $300 my first month into wholesaling. There's no problem about it. But what I recommend you do here is you kind of tier yourself in there, right? So you can be in tier 1, tier 2. It really doesn't matter, right? So we're going to do tier 1 or 2. No problem which one you want to do. Like, seriously, there is no shame in having no money. You just got to be willing to put the time. But what I want you to do is just do that to get your first deal, right? And then once you get that first deal, I don't even want you to go out here and spend too much money. Once you get that first deal, what I want you to do is just reinvest that and maybe spend $500 out of your $15,000 you made, and just start spending $500 a month. And then you get your second deal, and then we're gonna double that again. After you get your second deal, after spending $500 a month in marketing, then you can go out here and be like, okay, well, what I'm gonna do is do 1,000. And the thing what you're doing is, I know this sounds crazy, but all you're doing is just, you're doing more of what works. And this is the big secret of what works. So if you got your first deal cold calling a code violation, we're gonna get a dialer, and then we're gonna go from $100 and we're gonna get a triple line dialer and just start calling more code violations, more leads. And if we get our second deal from cold calling, we're gonna cold call again. And then after that, okay, boom, we're gonna double that again. Now we made like 50 grand. We're gonna start spending maybe 2K a month. And then we're gonna start after the third deal, right? So this would be the third deal. Then we're gonna add a marketing channel. So if cold calling's been working, let's add SMS. And really what you wanna be doing here in wholesaling is you wanna stick to really about 3 lists and 1, maybe 2 channels. And all you're gonna do is just this simple stuff. Pretty easy. If you're a beginner, I'm gonna tell you about 100 calls a day is all you need to have success. And if you're somebody that says, Zach, I'm broke, well, then do my EOG system. My EOG system is my free email offer generator system inside of Wholesaling.com, where you can send 30,000 emails a month, and that costs no money to do. Now, your biggest issue if you're broke is like, Zach, how do I send 30,000 emails a month? I don't have any physical time to do 30,000 emails. Remember, you're gonna find somebody who has the X plan on X Leads, which is the best wholesaling software out there. And you're just gonna ask them, because you get 60,000 exports, hey bro, before your month goes up, and I know you've only used about 40,000, can I go bum 20,000 skip traces for you? And in exchange, you can take half of my assignment fees and I don't have to skip trace anymore. That's a great deal. So you go to zachdiscord.com, freewholesaling.com, and just ask, hey, does anybody here have the X plan on X Leads? Can I use 20,000 of your skip traces the day before it expires because they're gonna lose it? And if you give me that data set and I get a deal, we're gonna split it 50-50. Now what you need to do is be a man or a woman of your word. And if you actually get a deal from that, you gotta pay up 50% of the deal. But this is one of the best hacks when you have no money at all to get free unlimited skip tracing without spending any money. You just find somebody that has X Leads, because there's really no other software with 60,000 exports, and just ask before their billing cycle ends, because you gotta remember at the end of their billing cycle, so if they sign up for X Leads on the 14th, on the 13th of the next month, right on the 14th, the whole 60K resets. So if they didn't use all 60K, it goes to waste. And so they're gonna give it to you to get half the deal. Of course, they're gonna get their money back on X Leads, but then you're gonna go get free skip tracing. And this all comes back from being in the right community. I mean, screw it. Like, one of the other best ways to get wholesale deals is if you just JV with people. Like, if you could be a person who has buyers, right? It costs no money to find cash buyers. Of course, X Leads is a great dispo platform, but you don't need it, right? All you need to do is just connect buyers to a guy who has a JV locked up. All you're gonna do is connect buyers, which is gonna be you, and then you connect it with the JV partner. Let's go back and forth here. And all you do is connect the buyer to the JV deal. And then you guys all get a little 50% cut, 50-50 agreement. And if you can provide a buyer to the JV partner, you can get half the deal. And if this is a $20,000 assignment fee, you make 10 grand and your JV partner makes 10 grand. JVing is one of my favorite things to do. So it's like, okay, well, if I have no money, how do I find cash buyers? Well, obviously in freewholesaling.com, I teach you Facebook is great. You can do what I call the ICAG method, which means you can find other people. Like, shout out to Ty in our Discord, right? He's awesome. He's about to hit 100 deals, I think. He does a lot of those deals, so that's awesome. You can go send him, he'll do a 25-25-50 split. You can go out here on Craigslist and find buyers. You can even find realtors with cash buyers. You can ask your title companies, right? So many people can provide buyers to you. It's pretty simple. So if you have no money, go to the buyers, or even if you have X Leads, right? And just go find people who are struggling to dispo their deals in either zachdiscord.com, my free Discord, or obviously my free wholesaling community, my big one, freewholesaling.com. Obviously, everyone's in there. And if you just spend at least, I'll be honest, 10 hours a week, which is like an hour and a half every night. You can do it from like 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. and just find other wholesalers who can't dispo their deals. I just had a guy on a live stream the other day, he had 5 properties under contract his first week, so excited. He couldn't find a buyer. And I'll be honest with you, he's probably gonna get rid of 3 of them. and he's begging in the Discord for people who have buyers. You don't even need a wholesale in the traditional sense. Just go out here on freewholesaling.com, right? Learn how to find cash buyers, which we do for free on Facebook. Go out here, connect that buyer with the JV partner, and get $10,000 by just sitting around doing nothing. The thing is, you don't have to spend any money to make deals. JVing is one of the other best ways to do it. And so what I'm begging you is either you can drop $100 and do our calling and texting email system, which is nice, right? Just go to XLeads and do it. Or you can just do the $0 method and just do it manually and just go get deals. But they're both telling you to do the same exact thing. Talk to sellers. Call, text, whatever it is. Put some sticky notes out there. I love reverse drawing for dollars. And you're gonna start getting wholesaling deals and start getting success. The thing about it is you don't need to be dropping 1,000, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I want you to do is either drop $100 a month if you value your time, do $0, that's completely fine, and just start calling and texting and doing the work every single day. The thing about it is it doesn't matter how much you spend, it's how much time you actually show up and do the work every single dang day. So what I'm begging everybody watching this to do is just do the work. And I know that's not sexy, but I'm not asking about how much money you're spending. Are you putting 20, 30 hours a week in this business? That's what you gotta do. Show up every single day, do the work, and get the checks and get the success. So the answer, spend $100, $0, and you'll start having success. Just show up every single day. Go from $100, $0, get that first deal, double what it is, and so put $200 in it, maybe $500 a month, then $1,000 a month after the third deal, fourth deal to $2,000, and then increase it from there. Everyone just start about $100 a month, $0. Start understanding what's working, what's not, because the learning and the knowledge of actually just doing the deal is gonna be more powerful. And then once you start pouring more money and you have more knowledge, you're just gonna get better at spending the money. When you just drop $5 grand and you don't know what you're doing, that is a complete waste. Get your money up, get the skill set. A lot of people think, just dropping a bunch of money is gonna make me automatically successful in wholesaling. It's not. Like, you could get XLeads, that's the best ROI, but at most, that's like $250 a month. I'd probably tell you, cap $250 a month at most if you're gonna invest in XLeads. But honestly, you don't need to spend any money at all. Do the work every single day, call, text, get that first deal, don't spend any more than about $100, $200 a month. And then once you get that deal, then start reinvesting. And then what you reinvest after the knowledge of getting one deal and just doing more of that is going to get you the upward spiral of success. And so if you want to learn more, go to freewholesaling.com, my free real estate wholesaling course. Like always, if you got any value from this video, smash that like button, subscribe. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.